You hear who this? Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for you guys for some products that I got from uniquesbeauty.com. I'll put it here for you guys so you could see. I'm going to apologize for any noise that you may or may not hear. Alright, the kids are home and there's people home and they're driving around, so you will hear noises. And I do have the window open in my studio, okay? But I am very excited about this unboxing because I was able to purchase a few things that I already had tried and I wanted to try, including a synthetic wig, which I've never owned a synthetic wig or ever had one sent to me. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright you guys, so everything came in a bigger box, but there was a box in the box with the items to, I guess, fill up like void space or something. But I just took everything out and then just put it in the box that was in the box. Alright, so the first thing that I want to pretty much see is the wig. And it's in a purple box. It matches my background. First things first, we're gonna do the wig, okay? Because I wanted to see how this looks. I will have a discount code for you guys in the description. I will have a discount code for you guys in the description box, okay? Just look there. This wig I believe was $24 or $23. I could be wrong, but I remember seeing either $23.99 or $24.99, something like that. Alright, so it is from a company, I guess, called Prime, or it says Prime on the box. And it says PM Lace Magi Orange Copper. Okay. I do like the box that it comes with. It almost blends in with my background a bit. And you can kind of see the orange here through it. And they call it copper, but it looks very orange. So we shall see. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. Remember, this is a wig that's under $30 basically. Okay, so that's the color of the wig and that's how it's packaged. Okay. Oh, this is attached to it. Okay. So that's how it looks. So I'm going to take that off. This is my first one, so it's like, it's something new, it's different, so excited to try. It doesn't feel like synthetic here, I must say that. That must be a good thing, right? Okay. And they do have other colors, not just orange. They have a purple one, which I think I may get. And they have a blue one. So, yeah. I was feeling orange here. Okay. So this is the unit. Oh my gosh, I love the color. It's so vibrant. It has dimension in the color, by the way. It's not just a solid copper or orange color. There's actually some very, very light orangey colors and some very reddish orange strands in the hair. So it has dimension to it. Okay, so this is the inside. And it does have a natural looking part where you can kind of, you know, fake your part, put some foundation on. It is a pre-part, but you could put it on the side if you want to. So I'm gonna cut the lace off and we're gonna put this on. It looks very natural, so they did a really good job with getting the texture right. All right, so I cut the lace off, and this is actually a very well-made wig, by the way. You could see it has straps in there. It has a comb, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. My hair is already in a bun, so I'm gonna put this on. Hopefully my bun's not in the way. Ooh, this is gorgeous. You guys, come on. I know the natural lighting in here is kind of messing me up. Won't let me live, but oh my gosh. Ooh. Wait, did I leave the tag on? I did leave the tag on. I'm like, what is that? Okay. I must say, I am so impressed with this wig right now, you guys. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures today. You like it? I like it. I like it. I love how, like, once I get closer to the camera, it looks like super, super orange, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's talk about the wig real quick because I need to get to other products. But you get about a centimeter worth of baby hair space where you can kind of cut the hair and kind of fake the funk and make it look like, you know what I mean, your hair that you dyed. But I don't need that. I'm just, oh, let me, you like that? I like that too. It's under $30. That's all I know. It's under $30. That's all I can remember right now on the top of my head. I am overwhelmed with this unit. I love it. Okay, so I did get other goodies from Youniques Beauty. I got some detangling conditioner from As I Am. I actually have their co-wash, the jar. I have that. I usually use it mostly during the summertime, and I want to wash my hair. I use the co-wash to rewash my hair. So I did get a few products from Shea Moisture with my order from Youniques Beauty. I got, I think, 4 or 5 items from them. I got the Strengthen Restore Leave-In Conditioner, which I already have this. I have the bigger jar here in my home. I have 2 of them because my daughters, myself, my husband, my son, we're just a hairy family. So I really, really like this. I like this as a leave-in conditioner. It leaves our hair really nice and moisturized and makes it really easy to manage all of the hair. Alright, so that I already like. There are a few things that I've never tried from Shea Moisture that I got. This is the Strengthen Restore Edge Treatment. And I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like a jelly-like consistency. Not like a firm jelly. It's like a really soft jelly-like consistency in there. And it smells like coconut and castor oil. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it works. And I also got the Strengthen and Restore Hair Serum from Shea Moisture as well. This has shea butter and peppermint. It says nourish and restore naturally chemically processed or heat styled hair. Okay, so this is how the little bottle looks. It's a cute little oil bottle, and I did read it to see if there was any soybean oil or some soy product in there, because I'm trying to just stay away from soy. I don't want any soy products on me or in me. That doesn't sound right, but you know what I mean. So yeah, so just from reading it, there is no soy oil in here, which I really, really like. I actually picked up an oil the other day and I was like excited to purchase it, and then I just started reading the ingredients, and it had soy as the first ingredient in this oil that was supposed to be 100%, you know, another oil or whatever. But anyways, I also got the smoothing gel from As I Am. I mainly got this for my girls because, you know, school time, most of the time I have their hair in ponytails or in buns, high up, big buns. Okay, so excited to try that out and see how it works on them. Oh, okay. Oh, it's also like a jelly-like product. Oh, it smells good though. Ooh, is this like a smoothing gel? I wonder if this gets like hard. Provides moisturizing hold shine. Okay. I hope it does provide that, because when my daughters come back home, it looked like they went through the trenches. I also got the Mane Choice Laid Back Effortlessly Edge Control. This is a growth stimulating edge control infused with biotin, vitamin C, D, and E to preserve and restore hair follicles. So I got this mainly for the benefits of it, and one of my followers that I follow, CB Lady on Instagram, I see her post a lot about this company, so that's probably the main reason why I picked this, because once I saw the name, I kind of linked it with her right away, because she posts so much about them and I've never seen her post anything bad. So it is a clear product, and it feels like edge control. It's a thick product, okay? And I also got the Strengthen Restore Thermal Protectant Spray from Shea Moisture. And this is a styling spray, smooths and defends hair against the damaging effects of heat. Styling tools while providing soft hold. Oh, okay. Well, we'll see how that works out, okay, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I haven't done one in such a long time, and I feel like I need to do more things where I talk to you guys on here, you know, about regular stuff, being a wife, home stuff, because, you know, some people don't care about that, but some people do, and I think most of my followers would care about some of the things that I want to talk about. So I'll probably talk about them more in my tutorials, you know, and kind of make the tutorials more personal feeling while you learn how to do eye look, if you want to learn, or just watch me do my makeup, or just watch me do my makeup, you know what I mean? You don't have to really recreate anything I do. Some people just watch makeup tutorials for entertainment purposes. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications. Check the link in the description box. I will have a coupon code for you guys. If you don't get any of the other stuff that I got, which I think you should get, at least the leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture, get this wig in every color. It fits so perfectly, you guys. Like, perfect. It's a perfect fit. Like, you don't really have to do anything. You put it on and you go. You know, I guess I could put a bit of foundation or concealer or whatever in there and, you know, make it a bit more realistic looking, but I don't feel like I have to. I don't think so. Alright, so yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for always supporting my channel, those of you who still watch my videos, and I'll see you all very soon in another video. Love you guys. Bye.